Good morning guys. Mag-vlog tayo ng chili. Mag-harvest ako ng aking chili. Marami na siyang hinog. Ang chili thank you for watching. Maraming bunga yung aking chili today. This time. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Before become red sparkle first, and then already ripe become red. Thank you for watching everyone.